Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you useful shortcuts in Excel. Let's get started. To use AutoSum shortcut, we need to click the cell below and press Alt and plus buttons at the same time. To efficiently manage your Excel spreadsheet, you can use the following keyboard shortcuts to add or remove columns and rows. To remove a column or row, select it and press Ctrl and minus. To insert a column or row, select the desired location and press Ctrl and plus buttons. These shortcuts help streamline your workflow and save time when organizing your data. Our third shortcut is filter. We have to press Ctrl, Shift, and L buttons in order to use it. Mastery of these shortcuts improves speed, accuracy, and overall workflow efficiency. Within a worksheet, users can navigate cell by cell using the arrow keys, while combinations such as Control with the arrow keys allow instant movement to the edge of a data region. Pressing Shift and arrow keys extends the selection one cell at a time in the chosen direction, allowing precise control. For faster selection of data ranges, Control, Shift, and arrow keys selects all cells from the current position to the edge of the contiguous data region, making it ideal for working with extensive tables. Additionally, when you click the row inside the data, pressing Ctrl and A selects the current data region, and pressing it again selects the entire worksheet. If you want to select entire column, use Ctrl and spacebar. However, if you want to select entire row, press Shift and spacebar buttons. Next one is Flash Fill. Before using it, we have to make sure that we manually wrote the result for the first row. Then in the second row, we have to press Ctrl and E buttons. Next shortcut is inserting today's date. We have to hit Ctrl, plus and semicolon buttons. Before creating a table, we have to select the data. Then, we need to press Ctrl and T buttons at the same time. The bold, italic, and underline shortcuts are used to format text or numbers for better readability. Ctrl B applies or removes bold formatting, making important values or headings stand out. Ctrl I applies italic formatting, which is often used for notes or secondary information. Ctrl U underlines the selected cell content, commonly used for totals or key figures. These shortcuts allow users to format data quickly without opening the formatting menus. The copy, paste, and cut shortcuts are among the most frequently used commands in Excel. Ctrl C copies the selected cell or range. Ctrl V pastes the copied content into a new location. Use Ctrl X to cut the selected data and move it when pasted. These shortcuts allow users to quickly duplicate or relocate values without using the mouse. The undo and redo shortcuts help users correct mistakes and review changes. Ctrl Z reverses the most recent action, allowing users to quickly fix errors such as incorrect entries. Ctrl Y restores an action that was undone.